Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Yes, one superb, wonderful conch. You can see the full word Shivam, S-H-I-V-M, Shivam in this conch. Such a beautiful conch. It's collected from Indian Ocean. It is a natural conch. See, you can see S-H-I-V-A-M, Shivam. What the mind blowing, you see. Yes, yeah, you can see yes, it little blur, and H to line, it is little and I, very clear I, very clear V, very clear A, very clear M. S-H-I-V-A-M. What the mind blowing, natural. It is naturally on the conch. Total word S-H-I-V-M, Shivam in this conch. Yeah, if we include this, we can take it as a Lord Shivam. What a wonderful conch. And you can see 3 lines ending. It's a total word, you can see Shivam, S-H-I-V-A-M, Shivam. It's a conch collected from the Indian Ocean. Beautiful conch. And you can also see the saffron flags of Lord Shiva. In all table you can see the saffron flags. See, beautiful saffron flags of Lord Shiva. What a miracle piece of knowledge. Beautiful saffron flags. Full blessing of Lord Shiva. Shivam, S-H-I-V-A-M on the naturally on the conch. Beautiful conch, full is Lord Shiva, completely of Lord Shiva. And you can also see the saffron flag of Lord Shiva. Right? You can see in all temple the saffron flag. That flag, beautiful conch. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya.